Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome back to the Dutch SC channel. Thank you very much for tuning in for a short video on this here camera. This is the brand new Runcam 5 Orange, and it is of course the successor to the Runcam 5 non-orange. Yeah, last year's model, I guess. I think these are still available. Maybe they are only still available in shops, old stock. But okay, so this is a 4K camera, this is a 4K camera, but the new version definitely does have new features which are interesting. In this video I'll demonstrate one of those, and that's the flat color profile. And it's not a unique feature of the Runcam camera. For instance, GoPros have their Pro Tune option. So those cameras have been able to do flat color profiles for years. This new version of the Runcam 5 can now also do this, but what do you want it for? So I'm simply gonna show you what it does. Now, what you see here is a recording I did today with the new Runcam 5 Orange, and I shot this video in its flat color profile. To that I should add that the weather was horrible, so it's definitely not a sunny day, you can see that from the sky. And if I would not have recorded this flight with the flat color profile, either the sky would have been completely blown out white, or the tree line would have been completely black. One of those two. And as you can tell, yes, the contrast in this video is very low. And on your right you see what the video looks like completely unedited. On your left, the left half of the screen is a minor, if you will, edit. This is definitely not what I'd use, but you can see from the left side of the screen what options this color profiling gives you. It basically puts far more detail in the video for you to, well, do with as you please afterwards. In a minute I'll show you a real edit, what I might have done with it to, well, for a flight video, right? You can, however, I hope that makes sense, do all kinds of color profiling. Maybe you want to have it look like an Indiana Jones video. Indiana Jones movies have a very distinct color profile. By recording your videos in a flat profile, you don't lose all the extra detailing you would lose if you weren't recording in a flat profile. Yeah, so that's basically a small demonstration here. Again, if I would have recorded this flight without flat color profiling, either the sky would have been completely blown out white without any detail, which is not what you want obviously, or the ground level, the tree line, especially in this video, would have been without any detail, would have just been a black blob. So like I said, a short video, and only to demonstrate this new feature. I will be doing a full review of the camera coming up shortly, but I thought this was an interesting demonstration of what you can do. There is, by the way, also a downside to this flat color profiling. You can switch it off, luckily. See, if you are the kind of person that doesn't want to edit your videos, you can't simply upload these flat color profiles to YouTube and expect them to look good. They will look flat. Yeah. Colors won't be vivid. There won't be a lot of contrast in the video. So yeah, you will be required to edit these videos. But again, the camera also has the option of recording in normal colors. Nevertheless, you should be aware that recording in a flat color profile will require you to edit your videos if you want them to look good. And that's it. Again, review of this camera coming up. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.